Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, today we're going to be talking about Solana. Solana has some of the weirdest, strangest, and most bullish price action. It pretty much is doing what Bitcoin is doing, right? Except, Bitcoin is kind of doing this pattern near the all-time high, while Solana is doing that near the second last relevant support resistance, right? Because the most relevant one is pretty much up here, right? So if Solana was doing this, I would think Solana is even more bullish, but this also still means it's extremely bullish, right? Pretty much for the last couple months, we have held between 203 and 130, 125. And look, guys, what does that mean? That means it's consolidating, which means it's going sideways, which means it's going to be like a catapult ready to go further and further back until altcoin season shoots, which makes me believe Solana is one of the most anticipated projects out there. Okay. I think for that 4.5 to 8 times your money at most, I think Solana is the play. Now, when we break it down a little bit here, we have a double bottom here and we do have an institutional candle here. So if things were to drop, if Bitcoin were to retest a lower area, because right now we're around like 61,000, if Bitcoin were to go to maybe possibly, let's just say retest around 54,000, right? And the dominance continues going higher, I could see Solana taking out these lows over here, right? As painted, doing something like this, tapping to this candle before continuing and, pretty much from there going sideways until we go up, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, Solana, I do think, based off the Fibonacci tool, taking it from the last relevant top to the last relevant bottom, oopsie, flipping this real quick. I do think Solana has extreme potential. 435 the first target, 600 the second, and 850 pretty much the next, right? If we go quickly in terms of market cap, I believe, let's see, Solana. Solana is pretty much going to take Ethereum's place, right? So 66 million market cap. So a 10x would be holy 660,400. If we divide by the two, 300 million, 700 bucks, 700, 500 to 700 bucks is the ideal, right? Let's see what Ethereum's at. So if pretty much Solana were to do what Ethereum is at right now, right? We'll just take 290 divided by 66, 4.4 times. So 4.4 times, right? Times 142, $600 plus for Solana. So that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense, right? You can get 4 times your money. Now, it could go higher, it could do better. It all depends on how well crypto does, how much money there is. If we expect double the amount of money, then 600 is probably realistic. If we have triple or quadruple the amount of money and much more anticipated, and it does go much more global, then ladies and gentlemen, we could even get $1,000 Solana.